Our team was tasked with a few engineering services. Some of those are traffic signal timing to update the traffic signal times along the intersection and upstream down to Mill Road. Also, we had to establish a geometric alignment for the project to best suit and best solve the queuing issue and hopefully last for years to come. And we also obtained new traffic signal counts, and we utilized those traffic signal counts into our synchro model so that we could simulate existing conditions as well as simulate our proposed improvements to the project and determine updated queue lengths of the off-ramp and other streets. One of the challenging aspects of the project was we needed to actually expand out the scope from what we were originally given. We thought that expanding out the scope that the project would have more, more longevity and last longer and be a better solution to the queuing issue of the off-ramp.
So one thing we've been able to provide for our client is new traffic counts for the surrounding intersections. They had traffic counts from 2013. We were able to give them new counts from 2018 to allow them to better design for the future and other surrounding intersections.
So one positive outcome that I've seen personally from this project is just getting to see a project from start to finish, where we began with not much information and now we've come all this way with our own design.
One thing I've learned personally is how to better effectively communicate and organize with all your team members over a long project like this. That way each deadline is met.
So one positive outcome from taking this course in addition to the 399 was we were able to establish a professional relationship with TDOT on a professional level, which in the future they could be a potential employer for any civil engineering student. So it was definitely very beneficial to work with them and kind of show our commitment to solving the project and our abilities as a future engineer.